With COVID-19 still rampant, tens of thousands of birds succumbing to the avian influenza has sent panic waves nationwide. Delhi, Maharashtra and Uttarakhand are the latest to confirm bird flu amidst efforts to curb the spread. Other states like Uttar Pradesh, Kerala, Rajasthan, Madhya Pradesh, Himachal Pradesh, Haryana and Gujarat had confirmed avian influenza as a primary cause of bird deaths. Prime Minister Narendra Modi issued caution and urged all states to remain vigilant, including the ones who have not reported a single case of bird flu as of yet.
बर्ड फ्लू से निपटने के लिए पशुपालन मंत्रालय द्वारा कार्य योजना बनाई गई है, जिसका तत्परता से पालन आवश्यक है। इसमें डिस्ट्रिक्ट मजिस्ट्रेट की भी बड़ी भूमिका है। मेरा आग्रह है कि प्रभावित राज्यों के मुख्यमंत्री साथी भी मुख्य सचिवों के माध्यम से सभी डिस्ट्रिक्ट मजिस्ट्रेट का मार्गदर्शन करें। जिन राज्यों में अभी बर्ड फ्लू नहीं पहुंचा है, वहां की राज्य सरकारों को भी पूरी तरह सतर्क रहना होगा। बर्ड फ्लू को लेकर लोगों में अफवाहें न फैलें, इसे भी हमें देखना होगा।
As cases of bird flu infections rise, there is growing concern about the likely impact on humans. But can one get bird flu by consuming eggs and poultry? There's never been any case of bird flu being transmitted to humans in India. The centre has urged state governments to not shut poultry markets or restrict sales in non-affected areas based on public perception.
As far as the spread of this disease from birds to human, in last 10 years, there's not been a single incidence of bird flu affecting human being out of the birds. Second is, there is no evidence to suggest that the consumption of poultry or egg fit for human consumption could transmit this particular virus to human. There is no harm in consuming them and they are absolutely safe.
The World Health Organization has laid down several health practices for areas impacted and not impacted. The WHO says that chicken and poultry are safe to consume if cooked above 70 degrees Celsius so that no meat remains raw or red. For areas where the outbreak is rampant, the WHO recommends separating raw meat from cooked or ready-to-eat foods to avoid contamination. Chopping boards, knives to cut meat should not be used more than once. Raw or soft-boiled eggs should be avoided, egg yolks should not be runny or liquid, and no birds from flocks with disease should enter the food chain. 2020 was a tough one for the poultry business. In the early months of the COVID-19 outbreak in India, speculation and rumors about birds being a possible carrier of coronavirus had caused a loss of about $1 billion to the poultry sector in 2020. Exactly a year later, a new flu scare is set to affect the poultry business in great numbers. The actual economic cost of the current bird flu outbreak is yet to be calculated, given that this is an ongoing situation.
Now consumer is aware. He is consuming the product which doesn't pass him on the disease. Now still there is a drop in consumption to the level of 10 to 15%. Price also has reduced by about 10 rupees per kg from the farm gate price.
Apart from chicken and eggs, other birds infected with the flu include crows, pigeons and parakeets. Health officials say that pigeon and crow feathers and droppings have already been known to cause allergies leading to skin and breathing disorder. With the bird flu, residents have been advised to strictly avoid close proximity with pigeons to mitigate the risk of transmission of the viral infection.
The chances when the outbreak is there, the chances of mixing of various genotypes in the birds is high. My advice will be to stay away for a time being from the bird sanctuaries, stay away from the timing where the migratory birds have been visited, or stay away from the carcasses of the birds where the most of the states reported the sudden death of a bird.
With Priya Lalwani, Mubina Kapasi for ET Now.